Hey guys, welcome back to my channel at natassiar1. On today's episode, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make an amazing vegan scrambled eggs. So I love scrambled eggs. Let's just go into the ingredients. So from an ingredients point of view, you need chickpea flour, okay? It's also known as chana flour from any Indian local shop or from a local retailer. Chickpea flour is phenomenal. It's got a nutty taste. It's a bit brownish in color, and it is super firm when you actually add wet ingredients to it. Then you also need nutritional yeast. Nutritional yeast is phenomenal as well. It's a vegan staple in any vegan household. Basically, it is a binder, and it has a bit of a cheesy flavor to it. So that's what gives it its creamy and fluffy texture to the scrambled eggs that we will be making. Then you need any plant milk that you have in your cupboard. I've gone for pea milk and rice milk this time. I like the sweetness of the rice milk and then the nuttiness and the creaminess of the pea milk. And then obviously any bread that you may have. I've done a soft rye and sourdough bread and tomatoes and maybe some baby broccolini when you want to start plating your toast. The recipe is you will take half a cup of chickpea flour and you will add probably about 2 to 3 tablespoons of your plant milk. Mix that all together, get a nice creamy omelette-y or scrambled eggy mixture as you would with a normal egg. And then you're going to add probably a teaspoon of your nutritional yeast, add some salt, add some black pepper, mix it all together, and hey, simple as it is. So on a pan, you're going to put in your plant oil. So I would use an olive oil in this case. Get it nice and hot. You could use coconut oil. I just am not a fan of the taste of the coconut oil. So add the coconut oil or olive oil. Let the pan get nice and hot, and you can add your mixture. As you add the mixture, you will see it bubble, and then you mix it all together and you will scramble it as you would a normal egg, and you will see it come together so cool and so nicely. It gets firm, it gets fluffy, and it gets creamy. Okay. Once you're done with that, you will get your plate, get your sliced bread. You can toast your bread if you'd like. Add the scrambled eggs to the toast, and then add your baby tomatoes. I used a rosa tomato because I find that the rosa tomato is actually pretty sweet. So add the rosa tomatoes, add your baby broccolini, salt, black pepper again, and serve immediately. One of the things to note is that you have to eat this immediately. As you let time pass, it gets a little bit soggy. It still remains firm, but not as creamy as it is as it comes out of the pan. So guys, I mean, that's as simple and easy as you would get your scrambled vegan eggs. It's a perfect egg substitute. Perfect if you're following a plant-based diet and you want to get or feel that you're also getting a scrambled egg breakfast in the morning. A lot of people ask, well, can you actually do an omelet with this recipe? Hell yeah, you can do an omelet, but it's very quick, very easy. Be careful and sensitive with the mixture when you put it into the pan. You can even, stuff your omelet with mushrooms and green peppers and close that through as well, and add a little bit of a vegan cheese if you'd like, and you have a simple egg substitute breakfast.